Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a Google Meet link in just a few seconds. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. You'll see a New Meeting button. Click on it and you'll get three options. Create a meeting for later. This generates a link you can save and share anytime. Start an instant meeting. This opens a meeting immediately, and you can invite others by sharing the link. Schedule in Google Calendar. This lets you set up a future meeting with reminders. If you just need a quick link, select Create a Meeting for Later, and Google Meet will give you a link. Copy it and send it to anyone you want to invite. That's it. You've successfully created a Google Meet link in seconds.